Hi everyone, I am Mamta and you are welcome again to my channel Hindi Learning Made Easy. This is Hindi writing series and we are learning Hindi consonants. I mean Hindi Vyanjan. In previous lesson I discussed about Hindi Vyanjan and gave you overall picture of Hindi Vyanjan. If you have missed that video, I would highly recommend that you watch that video first. Link is given below in the description box. Now let us first start learning unaspirated and aspirated consonant pairs. First pair is ka and kha. It is shown in the red box. These two Vyanjan are pronounced using soft palate. The fleshy region at the very back of your mouth shown here with red dot. Also, the first Vyanjan in this pair is unaspirated and the second Vyanjan is aspirated. What is aspirated and unaspirated? When you breathe out from your mouth, you will observe ha sound. Ha sound. So, aspirated consonant or Vyanjan are pronounced with ha sound. Unaspirated consonant or Vyanjan are pronounced without ha sound. So, the first letter ka is without ha sound. The second letter kha is with ha sound. First Vyanjan is ka. Lotus in Hindi is Kamal. As we say in English, A for apple, in Hindi we say Ka se Kamal. Ka se Kamal. To pronounce Ka correctly, pronounce it as you pronounce C in English word come. Come. Observe, there should not be ha sound. Come. In English language, mostly the letters are aspirated. That means they are spoken with air out or they are accompanied with h sound. So when you speak ka, you should feel the sound is coming from the back of your mouth and the air is stopped inside and no ha sound is coming. Speak with me. Ka. Ka. To pronounce ka correctly, try to make your voice heavy or try to guide your voice going inside your mouth. You will be able to speak ka properly. Speak with me. Ka. Ka. For writing ka, please follow the pencil movement and write in the same manner. Now second Vyanjan is kha. Kha. Rabbit in Hindi is khargosh. Khargosh. As we say in English A for apple, we say in Hindi kha se khargosh. Observe that kha is said with ha sound. To pronounce kha correctly, pronounce it again as C in English word come, but it has to be aspirated or it has to be with ha sound. So speak with me. Kha. When you speak kha, you should feel the sound is coming from back of your mouth and the air is coming out of your mouth and creating ha sound. So speak with me. Kha. Kha. For writing kha, please follow the pencil movement and write in the same manner. You will observe that in Hindi, some printed letters are different from written letters. You can see the written kha here is different from the printed kha. Let's revise. Ka se kamal. Speak with me. Ka se kamal. Kha se khargosh. Kha se khargosh. I hope you enjoyed Hindi writing with me. Please practice writing these two Vyanjan. I will suggest make a notebook for writing and one page for these two Vyanjan. Keep writing so that you remember. We will continue to learn more Hindi Vyanjan in our next lesson. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends and family who want to learn Hindi. धन्यवाद. फिर मिलेंगे. नमस्ते.